I got a plant today. Oh my god, it's so cute. Bird. Oh, this poor plant. I think if I just plant him deeper, he'll be much happier.
You're gonna need scissors.
Will you do me a favor?
What?
Will you put my hair up?
No.
It'll be super easy.
It won't be super easy.
It'll be easy.
It won't be.
Forget.
See, look, it's acting stupid.
No, it's not. Yeah, that was perfect.
Shut up.
See? Perfect.
Shut up. What's taking you so long?
How did you criticize?
What kind of plant is it?
It's called a ginger. Isn't she beautiful?
If she lives.
She lives.
Did you put any sand in the mixture?
Yes! Oh my goodness!
It doesn't look like you put enough. It's a very tropical looking plant.
Goodness, there's backseat planting over there. What is that for?
To cut off her dead one.
Oh, when I use my plant trimmers.
I wasn't going to go over there to grab them. I brought you an X-Acto.
I got dirt in my... I can't get them out, man. I might need help. Actually, I need the exact thing. That's smart. Now we're making some progress. I have something in my eye. Ooh, row.
Are you ready?
No, I got him. Wait. See, I don't know any other trees. Actually, do that thing where you land on the ground. Nice. Whoa. Okay.
It wasn't all clean.
That's good. Is he straight? How does he look?
Are you making?
Wow, look at his leaf. OMG. Wow, this one is pretty. I love him. What are you doing? You're so cute. Why are you all sideways? Ow! Hello, good morning. It is Friday, June 2nd at 12:15. No, 11:15. We're meeting at 12. We're about to go eat at Red Robin with Mason's mom. And then afterwards, we're gonna go to Best Buy because my computer's been acting a little funny. Like the ports, what do you call them? USB?
Yeah.
Drive?
Ports.
USB ports aren't working. And Mason said it's because of my motherboard, so I would say there's a pretty big possibility that I'm going to buy a new motherboard today. But then...
Well, you forgot that's the motherboard you got me to get PCs back in 2018.
Yeah, first of all, it's a mini motherboard that I'm currently using, and it's like... It's tiny, it's smaller than they're supposed to be, and it's like 3 years old. So honestly, the fact that I made it this long is pretty impressive. Anyways, gotta put mascara on. This shit sucks. Anyhow, I'm going to Savannah tomorrow to visit my dad, but that means we need to go get cat food. So that is also on today's to-do list. I'm pretty excited. Tomorrow we're gonna go to a Savannah Bananas game. It's like, I don't really know it's kind of like minor league baseball, but it's actually college kids, but you pretty much just drink beer and eat hot dogs, you know? My camera's about to die. I need to charge that. But yeah, pretty exciting day, pretty exciting weekend. It's the 4th of July. My parents are having like a little get together with all their friends at their house when I'm there. So that will be fun too. My parents and their party, we buy kegs. But anyways, now I am ready. Let me put my glasses on because I can't see. Now I am ready for the day. They do have them? Oh wow. What is this one? Oh man. Oh no! We have our first scratcher and he's in the tunnel.
How is that for Isn't that cool?
He's all the way through it. How cute.
You can go on top of it? Yeah, I bet he likes the center of her lap.
Yeah. Hey! Do you love it? Oh. I love you, please. Now time to take it apart. It has started. Oh no. Whoa. Cute boy. Oh,
Isn't that nasty?
gross. Empty computer.
Take those off.
Look how pretty it is.
Yeah, it's actually
huge.
It's actually might
compared.
be a newer version of it.
What? That little drive's really important. That holds all my videos.
And now it has cooling, which it didn't have before.
Wow.
Okay,
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
You might have to help in a second, but as
Okay.
of right now, you should be okay. See, all these wires are. Get out of the way, please. How they're matched. They'll probably sync eventually.
Yeah.
And this red light is an indicator. If that light's red, something's not right. So
Oh.
it'll literally tell you.
That's good to know.
So when you first turn on, it'll go red, white, and then once it's connected to green, that means like it's reading everything typically.
Look at all this cuteness. New plant, new scratcher, new computer. Not really, but there's a new computer part. Look at it. Let's get a good angle. Yes, I have a Mike Wazowski. Ignored the cables. But you can't even really see it. But yeah, new $200 motherboard back there. Powering all my stuff. But this is super cute. Now, it's cute. And not a vacuum. This actually, I love this. Very cute. Wow.
You might want to salt and pepper it.
Hello, it's Saturday, June 3rd. July 3rd. I keep saying June, it's July. July 3rd. I love you. I'm going here. I'll close the garage door. I love you. I don't want to leave. I always get so sad when I leave because I hate leaving my boys, but how special and lucky am I to have something so wonderful to come back to. I'm really excited to see my dad and do fun things, but man, it just makes me sad to say goodbye. Hey, guys, I'll be back in like 3 days, so oh my god, okay, guys. Alright, I'm a little better now. I have myself composed. I do that every time. I seriously don't know what it is. I just can't help it. When I just get so sad when I'm leaving my boys, and I realize I didn't even say what I'm doing. I am going, I'm headed to Savannah. Typically it's only a 3.5 hour drive, but I guess because it's the 4th of July and traffic or whatnot, it says it might take me 4.5 hours. So it's gonna be a long time in this car. fun. But yeah, I have started my trek.
And that thing in my head, I paint a picture. Here in the past, begging for forgiveness, begging for me.
Stop to get gas. I'm already in my Savannah Banana shirt. I'm all ready. We're going to the game tonight. I'm excited. All good things. There's a Burger King here, and if I can find the drive-thru, I might get some french fries and a drink. I'm starving. But this place, this gas station is like insanely big. So.
Careless if I'm being careless, not wreck me to be wrecked.
Oh God. So many cars.
You're with somebody I can't be.
It smells like the beach.
Love it how you love me electric like you do. Love it how you love me
Do you shit on the floor?
always you.
No, you would never do something like that.
Love it how you love me electric. Baby, keep the light on for me, I'm coming home. I'ma get you forever, wherever it goes. Like on high.
The big catch. Are you sad?
Get a
Oh my God. She ran away.
Like a neon sign in a starless night, showing up so bright. Can't get over how you talk to me. Like I'm
Yet
never
he
gonna need. Seeing colors that I've never seen. I love it
So we
how
can-
you love me electric like you do.
The next decade, it's gonna line up perfect. The year you turn 65, I will incubate a child.
No. No, it's not. What is happening? Sam, are you the most handsome boy? Oh my goodness. Yes, you are. The cutest boy ever.
How you love me electric like you do. Electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric. I love it how you love me a lot, love me a lot, love me electric. Wired in the moments like I'm walking on air, tripping over roses every time that you're there. Oh, and I'm hot over the moon.
Why
You
is
know
your
that you
face so
got me
dumb and
good.
cute?
I'm not even mad, I need you more than I should. I feel like I'm dying. Oh, and I found heaven in your eyes. Tell me it's all mine, holding on too tight. You're like a neon sign in a starless night, showing up so bright. Can't get over how you talk to me, like I'm all you're ever gonna need. See,
Oh.
I don't know if they gave us an option though.
Oh, you guys suck. Wow.
Like you like Birdie.
I've got a few.
Woo.
Well, I've got a like this and a like this.
Nick, put it on the
Happy